Cars Jade channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Kia Sorento X-Pro. The 2026 Kia Sorento X-Pro is a standout mid-size SUV offering a balance of rugged capability, modern style, and family-friendly practicality. The Sorento slots neatly between Kia's larger Telluride and the electric EV9. While all three models offer 3 rows of seating, the Sorento distinguishes itself with its versatility and more compact size. Buyers can choose between a standard non-turbo engine, a more powerful turbocharged option, or 2 hybrid models. For those seeking off-road capability, the X-Pro trim, equipped with all-terrain enhancements, leads the lineup. The interior of the Sorento X-Pro reflects Kia's focus on quality and functionality. Design, simplistic yet modern, the dashboard features upright air vents and ambient lighting for a sophisticated touch. Materials, premium stitched surfaces and high-quality trims elevate the cabin's appeal. Seating, a standard third-row seat ensures room for up to 7 passengers. Buyers can opt for second-row captain's chairs for added comfort. Storage, abundant cubby spaces, cup holders, and cleverly designed compartments cater to families and adventurers alike. The X-Pro trim is designed for off-road enthusiasts. Turbocharged engine, powered by a 281 horsepower, 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Off-road enhancements includes a center-locking differential, 17-inch wheels, and all-terrain tires for improved traction and control. Drivetrain options, front-wheel drive comes standard, with all-wheel drive available across most trims. For those interested in fuel efficiency, the Sorento lineup also includes a standard 191 horsepower 2.5-liter inline-4 engine, hybrid options, including a plug-in hybrid that provides up to 32 miles of electric-only range. The 2026 Kia Sorento starts at $33,365 for the base model and goes up to $48,765 for fully loaded trims like the X-Pro. This wide price range ensures there's a Sorento for various budgets and needs. Expect to see the 2026 models in showrooms soon. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.